Have you got a garden that's overgrown? Well, all of us do at some point of time. And it could be a case of maintenance and free time we have available to look after our particular yard. Sometimes the plants just get out of size and out of proportion, and some maintenance is needed. Trying to find the plants that are suitable for your climate, the ones that don't need as much maintenance, as much care, will mean it will be a lower maintenance. If you choose plants better suited to your climate, for your soil, for your situation, that will also reduce the amount of care and maintenance on your particular garden. You might have particular plants like bracken fern that take over. They will need control. You might have fishbone fern that takes control of your garden. And again, the more you can control it, the better your garden will be, because the weeds then don't become invasive. So the tip on Paul Plant Horticulture today is choose plants suitable for your climate, choose plants suitable for your soil. Control them, maintain them as best you can given the amount of time you have, and of course select the right plants is the fundamental beginnings of a really good garden. So occasionally you may experiment and grow plants that may not be perfect for your particular garden or your climate, but give it a go. I want to encourage gardeners to experiment, to trial plants that normally you wouldn't and wouldn't be seen in your area. But experiment, enjoy doing gardening, and hopefully that will help you achieve the garden of your dreams. And that's your tip for today on Paul Plant Horticulture.